Imagine studying in the heart of Italy, at a university founded in 1361, steeped in history and culture. Now imagine doing that with financial aid. Welcome to the University of Pavia's scholarship opportunity for international students. The University of Pavia, founded in the 14th century, is nestled in the historic city of Pavia, known for its rich culture, architecture, and undeniable Italian charm. This prestigious institution is extending a unique opportunity to students around the globe, offering scholarships for both undergraduate and postgraduate studies. These scholarships are not just about financial aid, but they also open the door to a rich cultural experience, free Italian language classes, and assistance with student housing. So, whether you're an aspiring engineer, an ambitious business student, or a future archaeologist, the University of Pavia has a place for you. Stay tuned as we delve into what this scholarship entails and how you can take advantage of it.
Welcome to your Scholarship Guide, the ultimate destination for all things scholarships and international job opportunities. We bring to you the most prestigious, fully funded programs from around the globe, ready to make your career dreams a reality. Get ready to dive into detailed guides on each opportunity, from the basics of the scholarship to its unique benefits and eligibility criteria. We've got all the important dates, application procedures, and required documents covered for you. And that's not all. We'll wrap up each guide with a comprehensive conclusion and provide direct links to official websites, application portals, and blogs of past recipients right in the video description. So don't miss out. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop whenever a new scholarship rolls off the press. Buckle up and prepare to embark on some truly life-changing global experiences. The world is waiting for you.
The University of Pavia Scholarship is an incredible opportunity for deserving international students to further their education in Italy. Specifically designed to aid students from countries outside the European Union, the scholarship offers a chance to study at the historic University of Pavia, founded in 1361. This scholarship offers a unique blend of financial assistance and cultural immersion. Depending on the program you choose, the scholarship can cover either partial or full tuition fees, making a world-class education significantly more accessible. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about the experience. Studying at Pavia means immersing yourself in the rich Italian culture, the historic architecture, and the vibrant academic life. In addition to the financial benefits, scholarship recipients also have access to free Italian language classes and assistance with student housing, ensuring a smooth transition into the Italian lifestyle. This scholarship is more than financial aid, it's a stepping stone to a world-class education. It's an opportunity to broaden your horizons, to immerse yourself in a new culture, and to achieve academic excellence. The benefits of the University of Pavia Scholarship extend beyond just financial aid. It's a golden ticket to a world of opportunities steeped in rich history and vibrant culture. For starters, the scholarship covers either partial or full tuition fees, which is a significant financial relief for many students. But it's not just about the money, it's about what that money can unlock for you. Imagine studying in a university that has been shaping minds since 1361, an institution that has stood the test of time and continues to excel in various fields. The University of Pavia is not just a place to get a degree, it's a place to experience a unique blend of tradition and innovation. And the benefits don't stop at the classroom door. As a scholarship recipient, you'll have access to free Italian language classes. Why is this a big deal? Well, learning the language of your host country can significantly enrich your overseas study experience. It allows you to communicate effectively, understand the culture better, and feel more at home. Plus, being bilingual or multilingual can open up more career opportunities in the global market. Now let's talk about accommodation. We all know that finding the right place to live can be a challenge, especially in a foreign country. But don't worry, the University of Pavia has got you covered. They offer assistance with student housing, helping you find a suitable home away from home. The scholarship also provides an opportunity to immerse yourself in Italian culture. From the historic architecture of the university to the local customs and traditions, you'll get to experience Italy in a way that most people only dream of. In essence, the University of Pavia Scholarship is more than just a financial aid program, It's a stepping stone to a life-changing experience, a passport to world-class education, and a gateway to a rich cultural immersion. This scholarship is not just about easing financial burdens, it's about opening doors to enriching experiences and world-class education. So, who is eligible for this fantastic opportunity? Let's dive right in. The University of Pavia scholarship is open to international students hailing from countries outside the European Union. This means that if you're from Asia, Africa, America, or any other non-European region, you're welcome to apply. But that's not all. The university is seeking students who can demonstrate academic excellence. They're looking for the bright sparks, the hard workers, the dedicated learners. If you've got a track record of high grades, exceptional achievements, or maybe even some glowing references, you're on the right track. Remember, this scholarship isn't just about financial aid, it's about investing in potential. It's about nurturing talent and ambition. So, if you're passionate about your studies, eager to learn, and ready to make the most of this incredible opportunity, you're exactly the kind of student the University of Pavia is looking for. If you meet these criteria, the University of Pavia scholarship could be your ticket to an unforgettable educational journey. Timing is crucial when it comes to applying for scholarships. The University of Pavia Scholarship for International Students has a set timeline that you must adhere to in order to maximize your chances of success. The application deadline for this golden opportunity is the 30th day of April, 2024. So, make sure to submit all your documents and meet the requirements before this date. Once the application window closes, the university will start the selection process, and you will be notified about the outcome of your application by the 31st day of May, 2024. But that's not the end of the story. If you're successful, the next important date to remember is September 2024. This is when classes for scholarship recipients will commence. Mark these dates on your calendar and start preparing your application in advance. Preparation is key to a successful scholarship application. Now let's talk about the documents you need to put together for the University of Pavia scholarship application. Firstly, you will need your academic certificates. These are tangible evidence of your academic achievements, and they play a significant role in the evaluation process. Whether it's your high school diploma for an undergraduate program or your bachelor's degree for a master's program, ensure you have these documents ready. Secondly, a letter of motivation is required. This is your chance to tell your story, your aspirations, and why you believe you are a good fit for the University of Pavia and the chosen program. It's not just about what you've done, but also about what you plan to do. So make it personal, engaging, and forward-looking. Next, you must provide letters of recommendation. These should ideally come from individuals who know you well academically, such as your previous teachers or professors. A good recommendation letter can provide a deeper insight into your academic abilities and character, adding another dimension to your application. Another important document is your CV or resume. This document should outline your academic journey, any work experience, volunteer work, skills, and interests. Remember, it's not about the length of the CV, but about the content. Highlight what makes you unique and a great candidate for the scholarship. Lastly, for non-European Union applicants, a proof of proficiency in English is required, typically in the form of a TOEFL or IELTS certificate. This is to ensure you can effectively participate in courses taught in English. In some cases, a portfolio or other specific documents might be required depending on the program you are applying for. Always check the program's specific requirements and prepare accordingly. Remember, each document is a piece of your story. Make sure they collectively paint a compelling picture of your potential. Now that you have all the information, it's time to put it into action. So, let's dive into the application procedure step by step. First, you'll need to visit the University of Pavia's official website and navigate to the application portal. Here, you'll find the online application form. Make sure you fill this out accurately and completely, as this forms the foundation of your application. Once you've filled out the form, you'll need to gather and upload the necessary documents we discussed earlier. This will include your academic qualifications, proof of language proficiency, and any other specified requirements. It's crucial to double-check that all your documents are correctly formatted and visible. After submitting the application form and documents, the University of Pavia's admission office will evaluate your application. This process can take some time, so it's important to be patient. You'll be notified of your application status by the specified date, so keep an eye on your inbox. Remember, each scholarship program may have its own specific application procedure, so always refer back to the program's official page for the most accurate information. With careful preparation and a clear understanding of the process, you're well on your way to securing the University of Pavia scholarship. A world-class education at the University of Pavia is within your reach. The university's scholarship program opens the door to an enriching academic journey in one of Italy's oldest and most prestigious institutions. It's an opportunity to immerse yourself in a vibrant international community, delve into your chosen field of study, and experience the rich Italian culture and history. This scholarship, covering either partial or full tuition fees, is a testament to the university's commitment to fostering global minds. Along with the financial aid, you'll have access to free Italian language classes and assistance with student housing, enhancing your overall experience. Remember, the application deadline is April 30th, 2024. With a wide array of undergraduate and postgraduate programs taught in English, there's a place for everyone's passion and ambition at the University of Pavia. Now is the time to seize this opportunity. Gather your documents, meet the eligibility criteria, and embark on your application journey. Every great story begins with a single step. This could be yours. Take the leap, apply for the University of Pavia scholarship, and embark on an unforgettable journey of learning and growth in the heart of Italy.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy.